Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to download and install Hunt Showdown on PC. First off, you need to open your Steam launcher. After opening the launcher, type Hunt Showdown in the search bar located at the top of the screen. You can get this game around $8. Click on Hunt Showdown, click on Add to Cart, then View My Cart. Continue
Why
to
did they
payment.
send
You
him?
will be redirected to the checkout page. Select your preferred payment method, then click Continue. Fill up the necessary details for the transaction, then proceed to payment. Wait for a while for the app to finish the transaction. Now, theoretically, after purchasing the game, go to your library. Click on Hunt Showdown. Click on Install. Browse to select a folder to use. Make sure you have at least 55 gigabytes free in your storage. Then click Install. Wait for the download to finish. It may take a couple of minutes to hours depending on your internet speed. And there you go. That is how to download and install Hunt Showdown in your PC. Thank you for watching.